So guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a bike check. Oh god. But there's one slight problem about my bike, which you won't be able to see until I show you. So let's get into the bike check. Right, so here's the bike. It's pretty nice actually. So we'll start off with the reflective stuff. I thought I would get some reflective, like grip tape kind of thing that you put around here. I ran out here, so that's why it's gone out, whole thing. But yeah, apart from that, still pretty good. Then I've got the same on the front, which looks really nice. I think I should have gone both green, but I like the little mixture I've gone with the green and the red. It's quite nice. But same goes, I ran out of this on this green colour, so I had to go with that kind of little green strip bit there. Then I've gone for the green and red spoke covers right there, just to give that little bit extra like look to it. Currently my bike is a Carrera Hellcat in green. You can get them in green or blue, I think, and don't know if there's any other colours. But I got this little like reflective tooth looking thing here. I got like another little reflective thing there. I had one on the back of my seat. Well, actually, no, especially it's on my seat. Mafia. Hooked myself up with a Mafia seat, red and like a pinky kind of red and green. And I've kind of got it a bit muddy already, but obviously that's going to happen to a Mafia seat. But yeah, and also I had some sort of reflector sticker, but it just didn't look too good there. So you might be thinking, at the start I said there's a problem. I can show you what that problem is right now. So it looks bare nice, doesn't it? I'll get another angle. It looks really nice. But the problem is, since I've run out of that reflective stuff, it's not the same on the other side. So that's the problem. So now we're going to get into some clips. So let's go.